In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post photo on Pinterest. Open Pinterest and log in into your account. Click on your profile icon to access your profile page. On your profile page, click on plus icon. Select pin and drag and drop photo you want to upload, or click to upload it from your computer. Write caption and describe content of pin. Optionally, add destination link. This can be the original source of image or website link. If you don't have any borders yet, click on Create Border, enter name of your border, click on Create. After creating border, click on Save. Your pin will be saved to the border you created. See it now to view your pin. Your pin will be visible to other Pinterest.